Hi everyone, I'm back again with another Hanon scale exercise. This time we're looking at the G flat major scale. The G flat major scale has all the accidentals. We've got B flat, E flat, A flat, D flat, G flat, and we've got C flat. C flat enharmonically spelled, as we know, is B. So that's something to remember. So with the more complex scales, the scales that have much more accidentals, we are going to encounter some notes that are enharmonically spelled. So in this case, we need to remember that C flat is actually in fact B. Again, if you haven't done so yet, please remember to hit the like button, subscribe, check the bell notification. I've got some big plans in the future for this channel, so stay tuned and make sure that you get all those updates. As usual, let's jump in. We're first going to have a look at the one octave, hands separately, then together. Starting with my right hand, I'm going to start on G flat. So I'm going to start with my second finger, and this one's quite easy. I'm literally going to play 2, 3, 4, 1 on B, 2 on D flat, 3, 1 again, and then I'm going to come back down again. For the left hand, starting on my fourth finger on G flat as well, thumb on C flat, Now, something to remember about this scale is that our thumbs are always going to be on the C flats or the Bs and the Fs, meaning that when we play these hands together, I'm always going to have this thumb close to the group of 3 black keys situation. So this will make it easier, especially when we do the 2 octaves and the 4 octaves version. Speaking of, let's have a look at the 2 octaves. Right hand first. Now you can see that thumb, how easy this becomes if we just remember where our thumb goes. 3, 2, 1 on this part here, 4, 3, 2, 1 on this part here. And the left hand. And then hands together. Both thumbs on C flat and F. Of course, Hanon wants us to play this 4 octaves with a repeat, starting nice and low. Remembering to repeat that twice. Moving on to the cadence. Now the cadence has become a little bit more trickier with the addition of all these flats. Let's quickly have a look at that. Ending with my second and fourth, like so. I'm going to come up and I'm going to play right here. I'm going to play my C flats, D flats, 1 octave jump below, and then back to our G flat. Right, so we need to remember this C flat or the B. For the right hand, I'm going to have the A flat, E flat, and G flat first, 1, 3, and 5. Then I'm going to have B flat, D flat, and G flat, 1, 2, and 5. Then I'm going to have F, D flat, C flat, and A flat. And then finally, I'm going to have all flats, G, B, D, and G again, like so. Putting these hands together, remembering when we've ended right here below, I'm going to come up to C flat right here, and here I'm going to have A flat, E flat, and G flat. Then I'm going to have my D flat with the B flat, D flat, and G flat, followed by the octave jump, remembering my pinky is going to come down to F, third finger is going to go to the D flat, the C flat gets my second, and then my thumb gets A flat. And finally, I'm going to end with all flats. G, B, D, and G. And that is the G flat major and its variants. Thanks again for watching. Stay tuned for my next tutorial.